Junior Student Council, President Suriba Chanel Natalia Jerry, Vice President Internal, Kum Marcos Jared, Vice President External, Sui Sabani Katie, Secretary No Miranda Celestine, Treasurer Audan Bryce Louie, Auditor Ang Paige Alexandra, and Business Manager Ezekiel Saidi. And for our Student Council, our President Dupa Sean Rupert, Vice President Internal Teves Chelsea Simon, Vice President External Miratarino Ann Luis, Secretary Blas Karim Irish, Treasurer Mendoza Sean Gabriel, Auditor Pernes Minea, and Business Manager Ong Sasha Kelly. And of course, their moderator for this school year for both Junior Student Council and Student